Are you bursting out of your current home? This 1465 square foot two-story offers 4 bedrooms and 2.5 bathrooms. Let's go take a look. Enjoy this open floor plan on the main floor with an electric stone fireplace, L-shaped kitchen with island and pantry, and a large dining area. An oversized double garage with storage space for all your family's stuff. Enjoy this welcoming large front porch and a rear deck and fully fenced yard for your kids and dogs to enjoy. Call me today for a private tour of 6 Kipling Lane in family-friendly 5th Avenue Estates in Niverville, Manitoba.